What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I'm already finding name brands. I just found a bunch of Jones cane sugar sodas. That one was orange. This one is green apple. We also have cream soda. I'm not sure how much these cost, but I know they cost more than $1.25 everywhere else. I also just found a 6-pack of Pure Life water. We have Martinelli's. We have Dr. Pepper. When's the last time you saw RC? I can't remember the last time I saw it. We have Sunkist strawberry lemonade. That's definitely new. Tahava unsweetened raspberry black teas. Those are new. We also have peach. Welch's sparkling berry, Jelly Belly, and of course Jarritos is here. Jarritos is always here. And sangria, always in the same flavor. It's always in classic. I'm just gonna call it classic because that's the only one I ever see here. We also have the little Fijis, the baby Fijis. Perfect for your purse, and a nice variety of drink mix packets. I'm actually going to get this one today. Orange, peach, mango, that one's nice. Most of these are all zero sugar. We also have the Lipton Agua Frescas here in horchata and hibiscus lime. The little happy drinks are here. These are just 5 calories each. 5 calories each. 6 to a pack. The hint waters are here. Nature's Goodness. And this is a glass bottle. 45 calories. 45 berries per container. We have blueberry, blackberry, blackcurrant, and cranberry. 100% natural juice. 2 servings per container is what they're saying. We also have Zoa, pineapple coconut. Zoa drinks. That's my first time seeing these. Lots of new drinks this week. Lots and lots and lots of new drinks. Wow. And what do I have behind me? I have baby items. These are name brands, you guys. Wanabana, 3 to a pack. And we have flavors like pineapple and banana and mango and banana. This is the location that I saw the real Pedialites in before, but I haven't seen them lately. I think these Fisher-Price wipes are new. Nourishing baby wipes, 72 to a pack. We also have pacifier and toy wipes, 30 to a pack. Little blankies. This store has a lot of options, a lot of pacifier clips, pacifiers, baby bottles, spill-proof cups, the little spill-proof containers, the BPA cups, the spoons, the baby barrettes, the little baby washcloths, the little head wraps that are gentle for baby, the super tiny newborn socks. And then we have a bunch of socks here for kids and adults. We have the gold toe socks. We have Dexter. We have Mossy Oak. Really nice quality. Super nice. I'm looking for more name brands, even more Dexter for kids, dress socks. We have the diabetic socks. We have lots of t-shirts here from brands like Gildan. Who else do we have? We usually have Hanes, American Apparel. Yep, there's some Hanes. We have some Tanks. We have more from Gildan. These are heavy cotton. Gold toe Mild compression socks. Oh, knee highs from Gold Toe. They covered up a sticker, but you guys know those go for probably like $8. We have the dryer balls, the laundry bags, perfect for your lingerie, your bras, your delicates. Hangers, 6 to a pack. My store only carries the white hangers. I remember there used to be a lot more colors of hangers that were offered. I always just go for white hangers. That's all I've ever really chosen. Except for maybe when I was a kid, I had a variety of different hangers. But now, like, I have to have all my hangers the same. Like, I may have 1 or 2 strays that I keep in my laundry area, but I really like to just go, like, all white hangers. That's my favorite thing to do. Just keep it all one color. Do we have any new? Oh, those are Nestle. Nestle ice cream sandwiches. Those are new. But then we also have little boxes of 3 ice cream sandwiches. Best popsicle ever in the world. Love that so much. But we also have 8 mug root beer ice pops. Those are new. I might do a freezer video in my next store that I film in for you guys. It's been a minute since I did one. I probably should buy some waffles today too. I think I just spotted some name brand cereals. Dunkaroos and Sesame Street. Okay, nothing new. We have a nice variety of shelf-stable milk. I know that's something that you guys were asking for a while, and I've been seeing it for weeks now. We have whole milk, 2%. We also have 1% in the box, the smaller box. Actually, they're both a quart. They're both 32 ounces. We also have sweetened almond vanilla milk. And these are still here. Name brand, of course. And the s'mores and strawberry banana. You get 6 to a pack, 6 to a box. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is not a dupe. Actual Fiber One bars. Actual Fiber One bars. 1.5 grams of saturated fat per bar. 140 calories, 2 grams of protein, 9 grams of sugar. Fiber One bars. I think I'm gonna get that. That's nice to see. We're used to just seeing the dupes, but hey, I actually found the real thing, and it's the last one, so I'll take it. Oh, look, and these are still here. The gluten-free apple cinnamon. I want to get some of those. The expiration date is April 28th of 2022. Apple cinnamon Chex. I think I'm going to get 3 boxes of these. We also have the little rice Chex that are gluten-free. These are new this week. Maybe if you're on the road or if you're staying in a hotel. Cocoa, natural baking cocoa, 1 cup. Those are new. We have the big marshmallows and the little ones for $1.25. Nice. And tons of mixes for muffins, brownies, and cookies. Yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to decide whether or not I want to film one more video in here or not. I know you guys love this location, but I have a lot of errands to do, and I might be heading off to the next one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Come back to my very next Dollar Tree video. Again, I don't know if it's going to be here or another location, but wherever it is, I promise it's going to be good. Oh my gosh, you guys, strawberry cheesecake. Okay, I gotta go. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.